In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Zoho forms. Whether you're looking to create a simple contact form or a detailed data entry form, Zoho has the tools you need to get started quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in and explore how you can create your own forms with ease. First, head over to forms.zoho.com. Right on their homepage, you'll be prompted to log in with your Zoho account. If you're new to Zoho and don't yet have an account, don't worry. It's quick and free to sign up for one. Just follow the steps on their site and soon you'll be right back here, ready to start creating your form. Once you're logged in, you're greeted by a dashboard tailored for efficiency. Here, look for the prominent Create Form button. Clicking this opens up a world of possibilities. You're given options to start fresh with a blank form, choose from a variety of templates, or even import a form from another source if you already have something in mind. For those who might be new to creating forms, templates can be a great way to get started as they offer pre-configured layouts and fields that can be customized to suit your needs. With your new form underway, it's time to add the fields you need. Zoho Forms makes this process incredibly intuitive with their drag-and-drop functionality. On your screen, you'll see a range of fields such as name, email, drop-downs, checkboxes, and even file upload options. Simply drag these elements into your form layout. After adding a field, clicking on the gear icon gives you customization options. Here, you can really make the form your own by setting field-specific rules, adding placeholder text, or even making fields mandatory if needed. This ensures you collect just the right data in the format you want. Next up is the settings and customization phase. In the settings area, a wealth of options await to fine-tune your form's functionality. You might want to enable email notifications, so whenever someone fills out your form, you or the relevant team members are instantly notified. If you have specific form rules in mind, such as hiding fields based on user input or creating custom workflows, this is where you'd set them up. It's also a great spot to add a user-friendly confirmation message. A thank you note or a brief message explaining the next steps can enhance the submitter's experience. Additionally, if aesthetics are important to you, you'll be pleased to know that you can fully customize your form's design and layout right from this section. Zoho gives you options to match colors, fonts, and styling to your brand or personal preference. And there you have it, a step-by-step approach to creating engaging, functional forms using Zoho Forms. By following these steps, you'll have a well-crafted form ready for use in no time. Thank you for watching, and happy form building!